Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve a problem from PGBP depreciation. Only one block problem. We'll see other types, no multiple blocks and further problems in further days. Okay. PGBP single block. Okay. What they are saying. Let's quickly read the question. Depreciation of Priya sarees. We need to compute the depreciation part. Okay, how much the depreciation is? We need to calculate that. Okay. Right. Computation of depreciation particulars rupees. Okay, what's the opening WDV? Opening WDV of assets. Let's term it as assets only because they are not given which asset is it. It might be plant and machinery, so which is it 15%? No, so plant and machinery. Okay, 10 lakhs. Add purchased during the year. Okay, what are all the assets purchased during the year? Assets put to use more than 180 days in a year. Put to use less than 180 days in a year. No use. Not put to use. Okay. Okay. They said acquired and put to use. Okay, assets purchased and put to use on 25th 12 2024. Okay, if it is 2012, if after 3rd of October, no, the assets is purchased after 3rd of October, then it's on the assets are used only for less than 180 days. Okay, then less than 180 days assets is 4 lakh rupees. Okay, then there is an asset which is acquired and put to use on before 3rd of October 2024, right? So this amount is more than 180 days they have used, which is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, not put in use, no assets. Okay, total it how much? 15 lakhs we have. Less assets sold during the year. What are all the assets sold during the year? Just 3 lakh worth of assets has been sold. Okay. Okay, this is the WDV before depreciation. Okay, WDV before depreciation, which is 12 lakhs minus depreciation. We'll prepare a working note. Okay, working note. Depreciation is WDV is 12 lakhs we have. In this we know that 4 lakh worth of shares, 4 lakh worth of asset has been purchased during 4 lakh worth of assets used only for less than 180 days, so 50% of depreciation has to be taken. And balance asset, which is 8 lakh assets, no, this is 100% only, no problem, we can take the 100% depreciation. And the depreciation rate is 15% into 15%. Total it will get the depreciation amount 4 lakh into 50% into 15%, which is 30,000 is the depreciation. 8 lakh into 100% into 15%, which is 1 lakh 20,000 is the depreciation, right? Okay, we found the depreciation now. Then what else we have? Okay, depreciation is how much? 1,50,000. So the closing WDV is 10 lakh 50,000. Yeah, is that it? Okay, right. Now, let's have the same figures, but what we assume is the assets sold during the year. No, let's take the assets sold during the year as 12 lakh rupees. Okay, we will take it as a 12 lakh rupees. That is a change. Okay, so WDV before depreciation is 3 lakh rupees only, right? So what would be the depreciation? How much? How we need to compute the depreciation? Because we have a three assets and for the three type, sorry, two different assets and two type of different time periods. Okay, no, so okay, the WDV is 3 lakh. Okay, take an assumption, reasonable approach that whatever the assets which are more than 180 days, no, 180 days assets, assume that they are all sold. Okay, less than 180 days, no, assume that this 180 days is the 3 lakh value. Okay, 3 lakh into 15 percentage into 50 percentage. Okay, how much is the value? 3 lakh into 15 percentage into 50 percentage is 22 lakh 20,500 is the depreciation amount. So that's it. Minus reasonable approach we took, the amount is 2,77,500. That's it. The problem is over. We'll see with the new problem. Thank you.